Let's make blueberry lemon sourdough bread. In a bowl, add 100 grams of active starter, 350 grams of water, and then go ahead and mix that together. 500 grams of bread flour, and then mix this together. 10 grams of salt, and then go ahead and knead this together for 3 to 5 minutes. Now go ahead and cover and let rest for 30 minutes, and then we'll come back and do some pull and folds. We are gonna do our first round of pull and folds. So you do want your hands wet, so go ahead and wash them and keep them wet. And then what you're gonna do is just take your dough, pull it up and fold it in. And then cover, and we'll come back in another 30 minutes and do round 2. We're gonna do round 2 of our pull and fold. So same thing, grab the side of it, pull it up, fold it in. You will notice the dough is less sticky this time. Cover and then come back in another 30 minutes to do the last round. Let's finish our last round of pull and fold. So again, go ahead and take the corner, pull it up, rotate your bowl. Go ahead and cover and then let it bulk rise for 4 to 12 hours. It really depends on your climate, your house, and everything. So you want it to about double in size, and then after that we will shape it. Now that my dough is done rising, I'm gonna add some flour to my banneton and then set that aside, and then add a little flour to your countertop. I'm gonna get the dough onto the countertop. Go ahead and pull your dough out to a rectangle. And this is where I'm gonna add my lemon zest. So I went ahead and zested some lemon. And then some fresh blueberries. And then we're gonna fold it into thirds. So go ahead and fold it down, fold it up. And then right here, I'm actually going to add the rest of my lemon zest. And then a little bit more blueberries. And then we'll roll it up. And then you're going to push it away from you, and when you pull it back, tuck it under, rotate it, push, tuck under. When you're adding things to your dough, you don't want to do this too many times or pull it too much, otherwise it will break open. There we go. Add a little bit more flour on top, get my scraper out, get my dough up, and then I'll set it in my basket. So right here, if you have this where you feel like it's not seamed together really good, you can just twist your dough back and forth and it will seal that. Go ahead and cover and place in your fridge, and we will cook it in the morning. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Going to get my dough on my parchment paper, and then I'm going to score it. Get my Dutch oven out of the oven, add this in here. I will be cooking this for 30 minutes at 450. Now that it's been 30 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the lid. Turn the oven down to 400 and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes. And there we go, it is all done. I will go ahead and put the full recipe in the description below, and then follow me for more recipes.